that you, Santa Claus?
Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list, he's checking it twice.
Hello. Well, hello. Oh, it's me. I'm coming to town soon, you know. I'd like to add you to my list of places where I'm going to stop on my way to the big day. There's going to be fun for everyone. Oh, I can be there for gift giving and pictures with the children. And if you like, I can read that story that simply everyone loves to hear around Christmas. Or we can have a sing-along with your family of 5 or your group of 500. Fun for everyone. So let me add you to my list of places where I'm going to stop on my way. I'm going to be checking it twice. See you then.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.